I gifted a brand new Mercedes to my head of creative and the heads of the agency that were running Honda and running Toyota. Nobody in Indian advertising had ever gone and rewarded key talent in quite the same way. Hindustan Thompson, and that too at 35 Rani Jhansi Road. I think at that point of time, the University of Indian Advertising. Horlicks in those days was India's #1 brand on media spends. I won the largest ever pitch of my life, which was BPL. The only reason the agency existed was to create beautiful campaigns and great campaigns and whatever. But the flip side of it was the reason you never knew at the end of every month your salary would come in or not. 38, to be the CEO of India's largest listed media company, to be India's highest paid professional CEO for a listed company. I didn't have the money, so I was planning everything on scales which Dentsu was not even used to. So we started the company with 1 crore, so I had to put in 26 lakhs. In 3 years, we were India's 3rd largest agency. Mr. Nanda unfortunately fell very sick. So one day he called me and he said, "You need to take over Rediffusion." And Rediffusion had been through some very bad years. After the big fallout between Martin Sorrell and Arun Nanda from 2008. So Ratan Tata entrusted the entire PR of the Tata business, which is 130 odd companies, to Mr. Nanda. For the first time, having worked for an entrepreneur at Zee, as a working professional, you sometimes ask yourself that some way, and I think most times is underrated, but in some way, the success of the entrepreneur is because of the contribution of the professionals who work for him.